Hello friends, welcome to Click to Edit channel. Today in this video we'll learn about the basic navigation of Photoshop and the how to combine images in Photoshop. So I have provided a couple of images link in my description so you can download the images from there. I have already downloaded it. So for opening just go to file, open, and I want to open navigation 1, navigation 2, navigation 3 and navigation 4 images. But if actually you can select one and click open, but it's a really slow process. So just click on the first image and hold shift on your keyboard and click the last image. You can see that all the four images has been selected. So just click open. With this open, if you open couple of images in Photoshop, you can see there are little tabs here. So you can just navigate here and go to any image just clicking by these tabs. So in this video, we'll going to put these three images in the first image here. So let's get started. So go to navigation 2, and for um, pasting this image in navigation 1, we have two methods. First is just select the layer here and copy by right clicking it and paste in this one. But the second way is easiest way and will work every time. So the second way is just click on the image, click hold and drag to the first image tab and just hold here. So you can see we've got our navigation 2 image in our navigation 1. So just align it by click and hold anywhere. I'll align it here. So for this same we'll do just click, hold and drag to the navigation 1 panel and just release. So here is our second image. So we'll drag it. You can see here we've got some of the pink lines that is aligning itself. So this is a very cool Photoshop feature. If you are not getting these lines or aligning features, just go to view and show and just click on the smart guides. So from now you will see that pink lines here. So for the third image we'll do the same, just click hold and drag to the first image and just release. Oh, now you can see here we've this image is larger than these two. So for rescaling this, select the image and just go to edit, transform and scale. So you can see here the image has been selected to a scaled version. So if the image is going out of the edges, so we'll need to zoom in and zoom out. So I'll tell you the first shortcut to use, keyboard shortcut to use. So if you are on a Mac, just just uh, tap command and minus key on your keyboard. If you are on a PC, just tap control key and minus. So you can see here we are zooming out and zooming in by just clicking on control key and plus key. Minus key will zoom out and plus key will zoom in. You can see here. So simply just click the layer, go to edit and transform and scale. So uh, by clicking the corner square, uh, just press the shift key on your keyboard and now it will lock the height and width of the image. So now you can resize it. So I'll resize it like this much. So now or this would be some more smaller like this. Now you have to resize it. Just hold and drag it to the center and just resize it. And yeah, it has been resized. So you can see here we have little dots. So if you do not press the enter key on your keyboard, you will not do anything in the Photoshop. See, all the options have been disabled. So just applying the changes, just hit the enter key on your keyboard. So now the images has been aligned.